Hey guys, if you're a motivated clinician looking for a better place to work and with a very good job satisfaction, we are the right people to talk to. Xcel Health is employing highly qualified clinicians in varieties of disciplines. We are recruiting highly qualified physiotherapists, occupational therapists, podiatrists, and pharmacists, dietitian, and also GP associates. If you're one among them and you want to be in a place where you get a highly valued for your time and energy, and you feel you want to have a good job satisfaction, please talk to us. Either you could email us on admin@xcelhealth.co.uk or find me in LinkedIn, where I'm always active, Xavier Rajaratnam on LinkedIn, and I'll be there. More than happy to talk to you, and I have a team behind us. They will take you through this process very, very carefully. And if you'd like to work with us, then we will take it from there. Talk to us.